excelsis Deo. Praise be to thee, O Lord, Most High, in whose name we are assembled today. The 91st Psalm says that those who put their faith in me are mine. Krishna says, those who believe in me are mine. In this lifetime, the reason I recognized what was going on with kinesiology is because I'd had rather astonishing spiritual experiences throughout life, starting at a very young age. People like me to talk about it, so I give it a few minutes. The rest of it's in the book. It began at age 3, when out of nothingness, there came the sudden shock of existence, out of oblivion, out of the void, where I went from previous lifetimes as a Hinayana Buddhist is into the void. I would leave that lifetime in the void. This lifetime, at age 3, suddenly there was a shock. It was like suddenly turned on the Klieg lights, and I realized that I existed. It was a stunning, terrible shock. I was not happy about it. I was not pleased to exist. Not only was it bad enough to exist, but with it went this little body. 3-year-old body in a wagon. First you exist, secondly you got this body with you. Oh my God. The next thing that arose, this is all nonverbal. The next thing that arose was suddenly the fear of non-existence. If I had come into existence, then it could have arisen that I would not have come into existence, which was just a total awareness. So there arose the conundrum, which this life was about for many years. Was reality existence or non-existence? Was reality beyond existence or non-existence, which can't be solved till you go past consciousness level 850. So I came in as nothingness. Nothingness was the absolute reality, nothingness. From there, a lot of rather profound spiritual experiences happened. They were all spontaneous, in which I experienced the infinite radiance of the self. And whether the physical body continued to exist or not was totally irrelevant, because in that state, it's timeless. So in a snowbank somewhere in the highways of Wisconsin, I climbed in out of the blizzard, and this incredible blissful condition overwhelmed. And there was no personal self anymore, just an infinite presence beyond all description, beyond all time, with no beginning and no end. Its characteristics were power beyond all description. The power of divine love is invincible. Its invincibility is based on the fact that it is absolute. The absolute power of divinity is an absolute, and simultaneously exquisitely soft, so that what was left of the self, personal self, melted into this infinite beingness. Then came the knowingness, the reality, that which I am existed before all time. That which I am will exist beyond all universes, after all universes have disappeared. Resist. An absolute knowingness. The thing about spiritual reality is that it is an absolute. Experientially, it is an absolute. It's non-verbal. No questions can be asked, none arise, because they have all been answered.